So 2028 election, it will be very brutal, very powerful. I have already prophesied in the NDC side. I saw the chairman of their party. I have told them. But you see, they are quiet. They will not even accept it. Because they want the government to work. When it is 1 year to the election, the MPP too is quiet. If I were the MPP, they should have gone for their Congress this year. Choose their leader this year. Which I saw the man, AK or KA, will be leading their party.
Boss.
Yeah.
Mr. You're from a semi-old man as I can help you. It's in Mr. Kakana.
Again, I'm sorry, not this time. Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own you mind. Where home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Nina say, Ubushu and Ibuka be our choir Sabian Yina Befi. No free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. One more Chrono, a crowd of us who are no more entertaining. Now was one acquire Juma.
And your AM Home Care and Nursing Home, Sabina me pay.
Ubut me crop Busha for Quacher Waum. AM Home Care and Nursing Home, our fan call Accra and Saum Road. From 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
Boss, wait a minute, what's my breast? AM Home Care and Nursing Home.
Comfort, compassion, and caring home.
Abusiamu akwaba edibatu maji itu meso se ene de di kan woni mi edi share meso no subscribe no like no share ama wonwe bi nso enye bi ahwe Bishop Sam Owusu akasa edi ensem bi atudwa ne di kan wa boye mampeni John Dramani Mahama abaso a chere se nyame nam ne so edi ensem bi atudwa 31st December no e ma ne kan na wo kan nsem no mampeni eti nsem no wan na so kra ene why na sim here we done there see was say yemfanye National Thanksgiving and Prayer Day Bishop Sam Owusu elbo mampeni abaso tre say oh ene share mampeni why are there what tre say ampa ye kasa wote na say kasa na wote there ene akaba akun Bishop Sam Owusu say LGBTQ+ ya de bia ebesen se Ghana komu a empenifo akasa ho ahemfo kasa ho school fo kasa ho teacher fo kasa ho MPC kasa ho aye kire se asofo nyina de omanu tumu kire se samra ne de nyemra e wo se Ghana editum se ebehwe se oba ne oba nkoda be ma ne be ma nkoda wo se da bi na se Almighty America credit samra ne baaye no ene Donald Trump bi asan ababiem abehwese samra no ye mfa nya adwumente ne America memu se wo ye be ma e na wo de nyame bo be ma bo bibia se be ma na oba wiase na wo se da bi wo hwe wa huso no wo ye oba eno tinyame na ammo yi e na akokoda ho me de sekan papae eda ne wo ba na wakokodi nsemoni bi e na ya chewodo akokoto ema prisoner Donald Trump ahwese yenyu free ho ensa fa akokoto ema prison fi say wa huso na se wa boso na wo de ba asase do wo ye be ma na say Almighty America credit me aye we dia and na Ghana dia na ye twen wonim ye nti abesi ne ya samra no ye mampene John Dramani Mahama as wo ba yi wa ye din wo hu Bishop Sam Owusu kire say second coming now by e bia na sa de we nsi nyame de wo ba yi nti wo sere se won hwe se samra no Ghana edi be ye adwuma abusua enye no nkwa no kan wo san so ede warning echo ede ma NPP a wo kire se ensuo beto na fra medical asem kese so eba na franka ese so na ehim se papa se NPP fo ye wo madwen se 2028 abana ye kwa akoto no wo mo pese mudi mu enkunim dia enye nipa na menam ne so eyi no di na kire se wo no e na eba bedi NPP enim no enye obia se honorable Ken Akompreko Agyapong ono e na Bishop Sam Owusu kire se nyame eyi no in fact edi no obo no KA so de se no obia no se Ken Agyapong wasem na working and na Bishop Sam Owusu kire se NPP for no so mo bibi ya mo ntwen say ya share time bi o calendar so date e bekwa congress ni nti sa date ndo wo se da bi o se tempestuously mo na mo to no mo konkon flag bearer no fi say KA ye Kennedy Agyapong no ne ho wonsem na sa 4 years ya ka munyi ne nkire say flag bearer de ne konie na ensem bi e wo ne ho no watinya ye sansam ne hu nyina adwuma se ne bedru 4 years na fa kwakwa ya body afoforo kra e wo Ghana fo no sebusua ye bekwa kotie ensem a Bishop Sam Owusu edi babetu dwa edi ma NPP ene ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama na ansa na ye bekono me kanfo AM Home Care and Nursing Home edi amount se wo ma me bi wo papa bi wanya dementia wadu ne mpani fie so enu nti ama ne ho ya homete ye bo ne be ye kra wo fie esanse wunya daje fanwe no enti nyema ne nyina akoye nkwala nyema ene ye tene say also born be ya debi me kanfo AM home care and nursing home de na ma wo se fa ma me ne kɔ hɔ ɛhɔ no a nurse fo ne doctor fo a yɛtete omu no mo nya ntete apabre ɛwɔ sa adwuma nim bɛhwɛ ma me ne kama ne nnura wɔ se wɔnom time wɔ se odidi exercise bi a wɔ se ɔyɛ ɛbrɛ a wɔ se ɔde da ne nyina wo bɛhwɛ asɛte nyina ama no ama me anase wo papa na pomuden SCP esita bi nso a na yɛ yi wo ma me de na fi hospital de na ba fie ɛwɔ se afei na all recover unya adagye de ma no adwuma sem ti wo nya adagye obi asɔre a no wɔkɔ na aka ma me ne nkwa wɔ fie ɛba na sa akwa yare no betimi asan akɔsoro fi se wo nya obi ara ne kasa AM home care no wo mo wa nurse fo a wo betu om de mo abafie aba betena wo maame no ho ahwe no ama akosi se obekɔ adwuma besan abafie na won so wasum atimi adwo ama wakwakoye adwuma e de apa bepeska ebusua omo number egu screen no asefa na from wo mutu enkran wo fanko ɛhɔ na wo mo wani omo twetwe nkomo betimi akɔ wo mo ɛwɔ sa akwan so ma yenkote se na Bishop Owusu de ne nsɛm no etu dwafai.
So 2028 election it will be very brutal, very powerful. I have already prophesied in the NDC side. I saw the chairman of their party. I have told them. But you see, they are quiet. They will not even accept it. Because they want the government to work. When it is 1 year to the election. The MPP too is quiet. If I were the MPP, they should have gone for their Congress this year. Choose their leader this year. Which I saw the man, AK or KA, will be leading their party. That man has a lot to answer. So you must use many years to clear his backlog of issues. Or else, if they wait till the time, he may not be able to answer the questions. But he can use these 4 years to clear all his past. And create a new memory in the minds of Ghanaians. Because till now, they still have a lot of his anger issues and his arrogance issues. So he will be leading the party, but there's a lot to deal with. But he can start early, propagate it, and start showing love, and start singing, and start going to church. Because this is how to win politics. This is how to win in Ghana. Go to church. Humble yourself. Am I talking to somebody here?
Yes, sir.
Start cooking for people. The Ghanaians are religious people. So they align with those who align with them. They value those that value their religion. So if you speak against the church, you have a problem. 60% of the population of this country are Christians. So if you are found as someone who speaks against the church, listen, it doesn't matter how rough and bad the pastors are. The members love their pastors.
Yes, sir.
Because that is the, listen, in Africa, in Ghana, there is nothing to keep the souls of men growing. There's nothing. Go to the Accra Mall, nothing there. There's no amusement park in Ghana. There's no entertainment system in Ghana. There's no art exhibitions in Ghana. There is no emotional challenge system in Ghana. So this life is so boring. The only place you have joy is church.
Yes, sir.
So if you are a politician, you need to listen to our prophetic scientists for us to teach you the knowledge.
Teach us, sir.
Sometimes I look at them and say, because they think all pastors are ignoramus. That's what they think. They think all pastors are ignoramus. They don't get knowledge. Meanwhile, we speak in the United Nations, we speak in ECOWAS, we speak in many organizations around the world, and they listen to us. I speak to banks. I speak to banks. I speak to presidents. And they listen. But the Ghanaian will not even come and look for you. Yeah, they want you rather to come to them. Because why? They think all prophets are ignoramus. They don't go to school. They should check some of us. My last PhD, I had 2 PhDs. One is urban leadership, I have studied the character and the philosophies of men. So apart from spiritual knowledge, we also have intellectual knowledge.
Abusia Bishop Owusu nsɛm a ɔka ye na mede aba beso mu amesrew sɛ wobegya wo comment ɛwɔ nsɛm yi ase ɛde ma me na afi yehu sɛ ne nsɛm yi won so ɛgye ne fa wawie ne sana afi wamia subscribe button no so ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ akan na fa bell no ɛka ho sɛ ne be na upload ne to mu a unu benya notification na afi wabɔ so na wahwɛ all the social media handles so ko a ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ akan sɛ ho so obe like no wa share ama wo nua bi nso enye bi ahwɛ da gold ɛne edi amagye so makra.